Good evening, everyone. I'll tell you a little bit about driving in Southeast Asia. Now we're in Thailand, so I'll tell a little bit in Thailand, but basically everywhere it's more or less the same. So only one suggestion: you're supposed to be like really mindful on the road, because people driving here in completely different styles than in Europe, and a lot of people don't have a driving license here. But government, they fight with it, and they plan like next 5 years. Like everyone is supposed to get a driving license. For now, it's not so easy. Exams, it's not so difficult. It's quite easy to get and not expensive. So like more and more people, they go and get driving license, and even it's supported from a school. Or on my eye, I saw how policemen, they give a lot of penalty to locals who don't have a driving license. But usually they stay in the same place. They quite lazy here. Like they came, get enough money and go. So mostly for tourists, they'll give a penalty if you don't have a local driving license, so it's not an international driving license, and don't have a helmet and so on. And be sure they really highly motivated for give you a penalty, because they have a commission like 30 or 50% from that penalty. So they have a really big interest in that. So probably if you're driving, you will be really surprised when you came here. Even if you drive just straight, it doesn't mean someone cannot hit you. Sometimes people don't show a turn. If it's 3 lines road, someone can make a turn from an end line through the 3 lines here, next 3 lines up there. It's like absolutely crazy. Or some granny without glasses can cross a motorway on a motorbike. And it's really normal when people driving towards you, it's like really loud, because they just make a shortcut, and it's simple. I don't tell you about driving on a red light, cross 2 lines, parking in the wrong place, whatever. Plus, if you turn from a big road, it's a lot of kids running around and suicide dogs and whatever. So you should be like really careful on the road. But compared to Thailand, much worse I would say it's Vietnam and India. It's like rules doesn't exist at all, like no rules at all in some places. So here roads, let's say it's okay, and when people complain, oh, I'm on a pedestrian road or I'm on zebra, just try cross road and no one let me go, so it's nothing compared to India, believe me. I'll take a motorbike taxi, it's like cheapest taxi here in Pattaya, but in Bangkok it's opposite. Motorbike costs more than car because you pay for saving your time. And of course on purpose I'll say to the driver, go to some particular place. And of course on purpose I'll say to the driver, go to some certain place for see how he drive, like will he drive on a red light or cross a line or whatever. So we'll see. Hopefully this information will be useful for you, and be careful on the road.